Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring TD Bank, conveniently located at www.td.com. This website serves as the central hub for all things TD. From personal banking needs like checking and savings accounts, to managing investments and exploring loan options, TD Bank's website offers a comprehensive suite of financial services. Navigating the site is generally straightforward, with clearly labeled sections for different products and services. Whether you're looking to open a new account, pay bills online, or get in touch with customer support, the website aims to provide a user-friendly experience. You can find information on various account types, including their associated fees and interest rates. Additionally, the site offers resources for financial planning, such as budgeting tools and investment advice. TD Bank's website also provides access to online banking, allowing customers to manage their accounts, transfer funds, and track transactions securely. While the website generally strives for clarity, navigating the sheer breadth of information available can sometimes feel overwhelming. Depending on your specific needs, you might find yourself clicking through multiple pages to locate the precise information you're seeking. Overall, the TD Bank website provides a valuable resource for both existing and prospective customers. From learning about their various financial products to managing your accounts online, the platform offers a centralized portal for all your TD banking needs. Remember to check out the description for the direct link,